Hello everyone. I just wanted to show you really quick how to use this. I had a student talking to me about how it was difficult to see the size of this. This is the easy sheet. Next Monday you'll be starting on a little bit harder. So you come here and you go to Zoom. I'm going a little bit slower because in the classroom I feel like we would go a lot faster because I'm there to help you guys. So I've got 200 if you want. I clicked over here to enhance it. A student, and I know this, a student was talking about how small it was. I understand that. I apologize. If you guys read through the directions, I mean, it's pretty clear cut for you. We're going to start doing a little bit more difficult because this goes into explaining compounds and bonding. Okay, a little bit more. So here also as well, you have all the columns and she's numbered that. We are not concerned with the transition metals. 3 through 12. That's 10 columns. We're going to start at 1, 2, 13 through 18. You're going to subtract 10 from these from the p orbital because the d orbital was 10 and we're not concerned about that. What you're going to do and how you're going to do this, and like I said, reason I chose this to do it on Google Classrooms is so that you guys can easily see this, is that you're going to go to Insert, and you're going to go to Line. Okay, I'm going to do that again. Insert, Line, Scribble. Now, you can choose any color you want, I think. Maybe not. And I'll go collect. Maybe you can't. I don't know. So it might be just black. Helium, it's just one dot. So you're going to go right here and just put a dot down. There's got to be a way I can do this without, or I think I can. Yep. Go back, and I think each time you're going to just have to do it just to make sure. And this is, I'm going to go all the way to fluorine. I chose hydrogen, group 1, 1 dot. You're going to start seeing some trends, okay? I'm going to go to nitrogen. Nitrogen is right here. It's right after carbon. We spent, you guys watched a video on carbon earlier this week. Pretty cool, pretty phenomenal element, okay? Gets pressurized and it's diamonds. Diamonds are not life. They're not organic, okay? Just to let you know. Nitrogen is 5, so you go 1, then you go 2. I guess you got to keep coming back to the scribble. There's another way you can do it. I'll try to find some ways to do this. I think you're going to have to just keep going back. If you want to do it on a piece of paper, I'm great with that. There's got to be an easier way to do this. So I'm going to try to figure it out myself too. So there's actually 5 valence electrons. I'll see if there's something else that is easier for you guys. Or you guys can always just do this on your own and then take a picture, send it to me. Okay. All right. I will see you later. Have a great one. Holler if you have any questions, and I'll probably will post another video.